Hello, all of my beautiful fashion trend seekers. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to feature money piece highlights. So we are going to look at a few of the different ways that we are seeing this trend being worn. It's been circulating now for about around a year and a half or so, maybe a little bit longer, but really in the mainstream the past year and a half, and I'm loving all of the different ways that I am finding this trend. So here is a fuchsia pink variation mixed with black in the back portion of the hair. It also features pink fuchsia in the bottom portion of the hair, way there in the nape if you can see. And then we move into another more subtle way to wear this look. This is of the blonde variety. And then we have another classic money piece highlight look. So this one is going to feature blonde in the front portion of the hair, brunette in the back. Now this is a look that you can attempt to do yourself if you're on the more daring side and you know what you're doing when it comes to coloring your own hair. This is a look that you can pull off yourself, or you can of course hop to the salon and get this look done as well. Just make sure that the stylist knows how to do this trend. Beautiful blonde and brunette combo with that one. Gorgeous. And then of course another way that we are seeing this trend being worn is with wigs. So if you don't want to risk dyeing your own hair, you can opt for a wig look with the same trend. There are many different wig companies coming out with different ways to rock this trend as well. Personally, I am a wig wearer. I like to mix up my look from time to time without damaging my hair, and is the best of both worlds when it comes to trying out a trend without risking damaging my hair. So here is the trend once again. Her makeup is gorgeous. So she's just kind of styling it now and showing how to wear the look, adding in some curls. Beautiful. So she is also wearing a wig with the trend. She has the blonde and black combo. Very pretty. I love the way this looks against dark skin. So gorgeous. It really brightens up the complexion. So then we have another color transformation showcasing the money piece trend. She got the blonde and black combo as well. If you have this trend, please leave me your thoughts or experience in the comments. Let me know, did you do it yourself or did you head to the salon in order to get it done? And how hard is it to maintain this particular trend? So the stylist is doing the money piece highlights right here. And then she is getting a subtle money piece highlight look with this next transformation. I do have a more in-depth video on this trend on my channel, so if you haven't already seen that one, check that one out as well. Is it just me, or does anyone love it when the foils are a really pretty color instead of just like a basic look? So here we have another brown and brunette combo. This is probably the most popular variation that we've been seeing. It is also called the skunk stripe trend as well. So here we have someone else at the salon. She got a subtle variation as well. And then we have someone doing it themselves. So she bleached the area. Gorgeous. So we have another blonde and black combo. Very pretty. This is a great way to add some depth to your hair without adding too much color. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. If you are loving this trend as much as I am, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.